In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your institutions in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch connects your financial institutions securely using providers like Plaid, Finicity, or MX. This allows it to automatically import your transactions, balances, and account history. To connect an account on desktop, go to the Accounts page and click Add Account in the top right. Search for your bank by name or website. Select it, then log in through the secure connection screen. You may be asked to complete verification like a code or two-factor authentication. After logging in, choose which accounts you want to connect, then confirm. Your data will start syncing automatically. If you ever run into issues, go to Settings, then Institutions. From there, you can update your login details or switch connection providers if needed. You can also create manual accounts if your bank isn't supported. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.